Good morning, children. So, in today's class we are going to learn how to convert a decimal number into what p by q form. So, in the last classes we have learned how to convert a rational number into decimal form. So, today we are going just reverse of it. That is how to convert the decimal number into what p by q form. Okay, so let us discuss about this one. So first of all, I am taking one terminating decimal. Okay, so everybody knows what is terminating decimal. Suppose one question is there, express in p by q form. Express in p by q form. 0.5, let us say. Okay, 0.5, this is a decimal number, and this number I have to convert into what? P by q form. So let us discuss how to convert this. Now you see, for converting a terminating decimal in p by q form, it is very easy. Only you have to see after decimal how many digits are repeating. Okay, so in this case, how many digits are repeating? In this case, only one digit is repeating, that is 5. So if one digit is repeating, then you have to remove the decimal and you have to divide that number by what? 10. Alright? If after decimal 2 digits are there, remove the decimal and divide that number by 100. If after decimal 3 digits are there, remove the decimal and divide the number by what? 100. Like this you have to go. So here in this case, after decimal, one digit is there. So that's why I will remove the decimal first. If I remove the decimal, it becomes 0.5. So I will not write 0 here, simply I will write 5. 5 divided by 10. Finish, that much only. Now bring it into what? Lowest form. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 1 by 2. Clear? Now let us see one more example. Let us say 0.25. How to convert this one into p by q form? So after decimal, how many digits are there? After decimal, 2 digits are there. Okay? Means you have to divide that number by what? 100 after removing the decimal. So simply you write 25 divided by 100. Means 25 1 are 25, 25 4 are 100. So it is 1 by 4. So like this we can convert a terminating decimal in p by q form. Okay, after now the next one we are going to discuss how to convert a non-terminating repeating decimal in p by q form. Okay, there are two cases will be there. One is pure, another one is what? Mixed. So let us discuss about this one. So the next topic will be non-terminating repeatings. In your book it is written recurring and repeating is same, so don't confuse. So I am using the word repeating. Non-terminating repeating decimal, how we will convert it. First one we are going to discuss the pure form. So let us see what is pure and what is mixed. It will be clear after doing this one. Now, suppose the question is like this: express 0.3 bar in p by q form. Okay. Now 0.3 bar. So on 3, upon one bar is there. So what does it mean? It means this 3 is repeating again and again. Okay, the 3 will repeat again and again. That's why one bar is given upon what? 3. Okay, so now let us try to convert this decimal the decimal number into p by q form. So let us try to do this one. So let x is equal to 0.3 3 dot dot dot. Okay, so why I am repeating 3? Because 3 is repeating again and again. Okay, so let us suppose x is equal to 0.332 in average. Okay, let us say this equation number 1. Alright, now you see here how many digit is repeating again and again. Only one digit is repeating again and again, that is 3. Alright, only 3 is repeating again and again means only one digit is repeating again and again. Now, if one digit is repeating, then you have to multiply this equation number 1 by 10. Alright, if 2 digit is repeating again and again, then you have to multiply this equation number 1 by 100. If 3 digit will repeating again and again, then you have to multiply this equation by what? 1000. Like this you have to proceed. Now in our case, only one digit is repeating. Okay, one digit is repeating again and again. That's why what I am going to do, I am going to multiply this equation number 1 by 10. So multiply this left side and right side by 10. So 10 into x, 10x is equal to 10 into 0.3333 dot dot dot. Equation number, not equation number 2. So it is 10x is equal. So if we multiply any decimal expansion, decimal number by 10, the decimal will what? Shift to one digit. अगर हम कोई भी नंबर, कोई भी डेसिमल नंबर को 10 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, means we are multiplying a decimal number by 10, then decimal will shift by one step towards right. If by 100, 2 digit towards right. Okay, 1000, 3 digit towards right. Okay, now I am multiplying this decimal number by 10, so that now the decimal is here, now the decimal will shift here. Now 10 into this one we will get 3.3333 dot 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 dot. Equation number 2. Clear? Now the third step, what we have to do, subtract 2 from 1 from 2. Okay, subtract equation 1 from 2. Okay, so left side you subtract, right side you subtract. So now what is the left side of equation number 2? 10x. What is the left side of equation number 1? X. Means 10x, this 10x minus this x. So is equal to. What is the right side of equation number 2? This is 3.3333 dot 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 minus what is the right side of equation number 1? This is 0.333 dot 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 dot. Okay, so like this we will get. Now 10x minus x, it is what? 9x is equal to 3.3333 minus 0.333. This you will get what? 3. Alright, so now x is equal to 3 by 9. So 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9. So x is equal to 1 by 3. So now you see this number is decimal number is what? Converted into p by q form. Let us take one more example. Express 1.27 bar in what? P by q form. So here you see after decimal how many digits are repeating here? Only 2 digits are repeating, means 27. 27 is repeating again and again. Okay. Now let x is equal to 1.27 equation number 1 I have supposed. Now here in this case 2 digit is repeating, means 27 is repeating again and again, means we have to multiply the equation number 1 by what? 100 or 10? Yes, it is 100 because 2 digit is repeating. So 100 into x is equal to 100 into 1.27 dot dot. Okay, now 100x, it is 100x. Now If you multiply this decimal number by 100, the decimal will shift towards right 2 decimal. Two steps. Okay. So 100 से multiply करें तो decimal, now the decimal is here, so it will shift towards 20 is there, so 1, so the decimal will shift here. So it is 127.2727 dot. Now it is equation number 2. Now subtract equation 1 from 2. Subtract 1 from 2. Means 2 minus 1. Equation 2 minus equation 1. So left side you subtract, and right side you subtract. Okay. So 100x minus x. The left side of equation number 2 is 100x. So you write 100x minus left side of equation number 1. This is x. So x is equal. What is the right side of equation number 2? This is 127.2727 dot minus what is the right side of equation number 1? 1.2727 dot. Alright, now subtract it. 100x minus x, 99x. Okay, 127.2727 minus 1.2727. If you subtract this one, you will get 126. Okay, now express in P by Q. So x we got 99x is equal to 126. So x we got 126 divided by 99. Okay, finish. Now it is in P by Q form. Now little bit just use bring it this one into lowest form. So 11 9s are 99, 11 14s are 11 9s are 9 11s are 99 and 9 14s are 126. So we got x is equal to 14 by 11. So it is in P by Q form. Okay. So like this we can express a non-terminating repeating decimal into what? P by Q form. So our next, and this one is pure, and next one we are going to discuss, that is what? Mixed non-terminating repeating decimals. Okay. Let us the another one, that is non-terminating repeating decimal, but it is mixed. In the last one we have discussed about pure non-terminating repeating decimal. So now we are going to discuss mixed non-terminating. What is the difference between pure and mixed? Let us see. Now you see here in this case that bar is upon 3 5 only. Okay, means this 3 5 is repeating again and again, but this 2 is not repeating. Okay, in our earlier case a block of digit is repeating again and again. Now here one digit is not repeating. Okay, that is the digit 2 is not repeating, but the digit 3 5 is repeating and again and again. So that type of decimal expansion is called what? Mixed non-terminating repeating decimal. So let us discuss how to solve this, how to express this type of number in P by Q form. So let us see this one. So let x is equal to 0.235. This 35 is repeating, so you write 35 dot. Equation number 1, let us say. Alright. Now in this case you see how many digit is not repeating. In our earlier topic we have learned how many digit is repeating. Now here you see how many digit is not repeating. Here only one digit is not repeating, that is 2. That one you have to see. That 2 is not repeating again and again. So that's why what you do, you just multiply this equation number 1 by what? 10. Is it clear to you? Here you see which digit is not repeating. The 2 is not repeating here. That's why only one digit. That's why you multiply equation number 1 by what? 10. So I multiply now. So 10 into x, 10x is equal to 10 into 0.235 dot. Okay. Now this is 10x is equal to, now if you multiply this one, it will transpose to which side? And the decimal will shift to one digit towards right. Okay, so it is 2.353535. Okay, now it is 10x. Now this 2.3535, can I write like this? Now expand it. Can I write like this? 2 plus 0.35 bar. Okay, can I write 2.353535? I can write 2 plus 0.35 bar. Okay, now it is 10x is equal to 2 plus, now you see 0.35. Okay, it is a pure non-terminating repeating decimal or not? 0.35. So just now we learned how to convert a pure non-terminating repeating decimal in P by Q form. Just now we learned. So but here, while converting a non-terminating decimal in mixed form, no need to write the whole steps. I will give you one very simple trick. Okay, how to express this one in P by Q form. Okay, so here only, in this case only you apply that trick. Okay, so now you see here 0.35 bar. So we know how to express this one in P by Q form. We learned just now. But here, while you are solving a mixed non-terminating repeating decimal, no need to show the whole steps how you have find it. I will give you a small trick. For that, what you have to do, you see how to, in a single step we can convert this one into P by Q form. You see this is 35. After decimal, how many digits is repeating? 2 digits is repeating. Okay, 2 digits, that is 3535. If 2 digits is repeating, you remove the decimal. Okay, remove the decimal, and 2 digits is repeating means you divide that number by 99. Okay, if 1 digit is repeating, you divide that number by what? 9. If 4 digits is repeating, you divide that number by 9,999. Now you see here, this is 35. So what I am doing? Just I am writing 35 by 99. Okay, very simple, because 2 digits is repeating. Okay, 2 digits is repeating, and I have to express this one in P by Q form. So just write down 35. If 2 digits is repeating, divided by 99. If 1 digit is repeating, you divided by what? 9. Like this we have proceed. You have to proceed. Only you while you are converting mixed form, you just apply this one. Okay. If the question is express 0.35 in P by Q, then this will not work. Answer, no doubt, answer will get same, but you have to follow the whole process. Okay. So now this one I can write 0.35 bar. I can write 35 by 99. Okay. Is it clear? So no need to show the whole process how you have to convert this 0.35 bar in P by Q form. Just remember that step. Okay. Now this is nx is equal to, take the LCM, this is 99, this is a fractional, you know how to add fractional number, so 2 into 99, 2 9 the 18, 2 9 the 18 plus 1, 19, 2 9 the 18, 1, 2 9 the 18 plus 1, 19, plus 35. So implies nx is equal to 198 plus 35 is equal to 233. 233 divided by 99. So now x is equal to 233 divided by 99 into 10. So implies x is equal to 233 divided by 990. So this is our answer. So now it is converted into what? P by Q form. So just now we learned how to convert a non-terminating repeating decimal in P by Q form. One is pure form, another one is what? Mixed form. And also we learned how to convert a terminating decimal in P by Q form. Okay, so that topic is very much important. So That's much for today. Thank you and have a nice day.